base launch.
I only have 5 seconds left, but I want to follow up on the heroin question. I believe you said that heroin and fentanyl, which is, of course, 30 to 50 times more powerful, is coming over our southern border, and that has doubled by the Mexican drug cartels going back to 2010. Do you believe that that's something that General Kelly has raised this when he was commander of Southcom, as that delivery system and those cartels could actually deliver almost anything with the sophisticated networks they've established? But do you believe we should be focused also on more interdiction, particularly on the heroin problem at the southern border?
And what the experience, at least what I've observed, and I think General Kelly has said this consistently when he testified, is that it wasn't for lack of intelligence, it was lack of operational capacity to actually react and interdict. And so I'm a big fan of the Coast Guard, and the Coast Guard's done some great things. These new national security cutters are fantastic capability against for drug interdiction purposes.
Thank you.